Well, here we go. Are we ready? Is the guy ready? Robert, are you back there?
I am ready, Dave. All set. Thank you.
Okay. Where is the beginning?
Start is right here with these silver ones.
Uh-huh.
Finishes up here with the mouse traps.
All right, anytime you're ready.
Okay.
Be very careful.
Thank you.
Don't hurt yourself.
Here we go.
Wow.
Dave! There you go. Woo! Thank you so much.
Robert Speca, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. We'll see you tomorrow night. Thanks for watching. Good night, everybody. Nice job. Very impressive. All right, are you ready, Paul?
I am ready.
So we bring up the thing, is that right? Robert, are you back there still?
I am ready,
Are
Dave.
you all ready? Is it all loaded? Everything's set up
We're
to your
ready to go.
satisfaction? Biff, now this is going to be a portrait of you.
That's correct.
Careful, Biff, careful.
Oh,
Easy. Good Lord, what's the matter with you?
I don't know. Maybe I just wanted to get it over with.
Yeah, I understand. All right, so you drop one of the big dominoes first. Is that what happens, Robert, or a small domino?
Start with the big one,
Start
Dave.
with the big ones, okay. And there's 112 of the large ones, 6,000 regular-sized dominoes. Anytime you're ready, gentlemen, take it away.
Biff has the honors.
They're off and running.
That's exciting.
Wow. Very impressive. Thank you. Robert Speca, ladies and gentlemen.
I appreciate it.
Domino Bob and Biff, lovely.
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you.
We'll be right back with Jim Gaffigan, everybody. My God. Now, we've done this from time to time, and I love this kind of thing. You know those guys who have the big domino stunts where they spend all day putting down dominoes? And we got a guy here tonight. His name is Ben Herbst, and he's from, I think he's from Tacoma, Washington. Oh, I'm sorry, Olympia, Washington.
Mm-hmm.
And he has spent the entire day putting together a domino display. Can we turn on the camera and say hello to Ben Herbst? There he is. Hi, Ben. How are you? Nice to see you.
How you doing, Dave?
Welcome to the program.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah. How many dominoes are you working on tonight, Ben?
About 6,322 when I'm all done.
And what will happen? What kind of things can we expect when you trip the dominoes?
We're going to go up some of these ramps, down some of these ramps, set off some of these mouse traps, and some of these helium balloons are going to be released, and there's going to be
go up. Yeah.
some other surprises
Now,
along the way.
Is this the biggest domino display you've ever worked on?
No, I've done one bigger.
Bigger. What do you do for a living back there in Olympia?
I'm a grade school teacher at Baldwin Elementary.
Yeah, what grade
Geography.
do you teach?
4th grade.
And I bet the kids like the domino stuff, right?
They love it.
Yeah, well, go ahead and say hi to the kids if you
Hey,
want
kids,
to.
how you doing?
Okay. So, Ben, whenever you're ready, we'll come back and we'll see. Now, remember, it's over 6,000 dominoes. It's going to be very exciting. Thank you for joining us tonight. That's Ben Herbst, ladies and gentlemen. That'll be... Thank you very much, Adrian. Let's check back in once quickly with Ben Herbst, our domino expert from Washington. How's it going, Ben?
Great, Dave.
Are we just about ready to launch?
Yeah, any second. We're almost there.
How many more do you have to put in place?
A couple hundred.
Okay. A couple hundred. Well, we're right around the corner. We'll be right back with Natalie Portman and Al Franken, everybody. Very excited. Let's check back in with Ben Herbst from Olympia, Washington. And you said earlier a couple hundred. I guess you're just about ready to go?
Yeah, almost.
How many mousetraps you got there tonight, Ben?
3.
And is that the most you've ever worked with?
I've worked with 30 at one time.
Wow. Did you think about calling Orkin? And are you going to have one of those, what they call like the double helix, where we always like to see the double helix
Yeah,
thing?
it's going to spiral around the backside, right down
Okay,
front.
all
there.
right, good. That's Ben Herbst from Olympia, Washington. A little bit later. Exciting. On the program tonight, the lovely Natalie Portman. She's starring in a brand new motion picture called V for
Son
Vendetta.
of a bitch!
What?
No! No!
Wait a minute. What?
No! No! Oh! Oh, come on! This is crazy! Oh, man. Stop the music. Please stop the music. This is not the demonstration. This is not the demonstration.
It's okay.
I don't... Not enough mousetraps? I don't know, that's... You see that. Ladies and gentlemen, here's tonight's top 10. Hey, Ben?
Yeah.
What do you think? You want to try and set him up again?
Sure.
All right, well, we'll be right back with Natalie Portman, everybody. Thank you very much. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. If you set your TiVo for the domino demonstration, we think Ben may think probably a breakdown is what it's looking like now. Yeah, we're going to get him up to the nurse.
No, he started on it.
Sorry, okay.
Yeah, no, it's...
I hope the kids weren't watching earlier.
I know.
The grade schoolers back there in Olympia,
shame.
Washington.
It's
Yeah,
not
they would see
inspiring.
their teacher going crazy like that. too bad. I hate that. My thanks to Al Franken and the lovely Natalie Portman. Isn't she gorgeous?
She is a goddess.
I mean, she just looks like something you'd see carved on a brooch.
Porcelain, that's right.
Beautiful.
Porcelain angel.
And also, my thanks to Ben Herbst, our domino guy. Ben, I understand you have some dominoes ready to go. Is that right?
Yeah, a few.
All right, take it away. Anytime you're ready. Anton. Did we pay for his plane ride out here? Brother. Tomorrow on the program, Vin Diesel, Trey Parker, and Matt Stone, and Detective Ronald Krieger from New York City's top crime scene investigators. That's the program tomorrow. Good night.